In this video, we will explore two popular portable washing machines: the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washer. We'll delve into their specifications, features, and overall value to help you decide which one is the right fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub is a semi-automatic washer, which means users need to manually transfer clothes between the washing and spinning cycles. In contrast, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft is fully automatic, allowing for a more convenient laundry experience with no manual intervention required. This difference can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially for those who prefer a hands-off approach. While the Giantex offers basic washing capabilities, the COMFEE stands out with its multiple wash programs, including options for delicate fabrics and a delay start feature. Additionally, the COMFEE includes a child lock for safety, making it a more versatile choice for families. These features can enhance the washing experience and provide more options for different laundry needs. The Giantex is priced at $159, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing machine. On the other hand, the COMFEE comes with a higher price tag of $329, reflecting its advanced features and fully automatic operation. When considering your purchase, it's essential to weigh the cost against the features and convenience each machine offers. In conclusion, both the Giantex and COMFEE's portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Giantex is ideal for those on a budget who need a simple, portable solution, while the COMFEE offers greater convenience and features for a higher price. Consider your laundry needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.